We had some heavy winds come in just, I think 2 weeks ago. And I took down all these balsams. These are balsam firs. Balsam firs live to be about 40, 50 years old at the most. And then they succumb. And anyway, this is just a domino effect in here. So there's a trail through here. Gone. Let's just go down here. Yeah. Crazy times. And I'm on the trail here. So this is the trail here, and it's gone. We got her cleaned up. And you can see what happened here. It just uprooted. So that's where we're at. Let's clean her up. Okay, it's all done. Hour and a half or so. And she's all cleaned up. Trail's good. And I also cleaned up this trail, which had a whole bunch of stuff across it too. Right through there. And that's it. Forest is sure taking a hit. Well, look how nice and deep green it is in there. Oh my God. Beautiful. Beautiful.